Hello, welcome back to part 2 of this video. Hopefully that you did B and C, and you already did B and C. I'm going to go over them now to make sure we're all on the same page. So again, we're using the same chemical formula up here. We need 4 moles of aluminum and 3 moles of oxygen to be able to make 2 moles of aluminum oxide. So if we look at this problem, it says, based on the reaction above, if you have 14.8 moles of aluminum, how many moles of aluminum oxide will that produce? So this is what we're starting with, 14.8 moles of aluminum. And we know we need 4 moles of aluminum every time this reaction runs to make 2 moles of aluminum oxide. So we're going to take 14.8 times 2, divide by 4, and that's going to get us 7.4 moles Al2O3 aluminum oxide, because moles of aluminum cancel out. This next one, it says based on the reaction above, how many moles of aluminum oxide are formed when you have 0.78 moles of O2. So we're going to take 0.78 mole of O2, and we are going to look at the equation. We're going to see that we need 3 moles of O2 every time we make 2 moles of aluminum oxide. Moles of O2 cancel. 0.78 times 2 divide by 3, and we're going to get 0.52 moles Al2O3. So this is telling us if we have, for this first one, if we have 9 moles of aluminum, that means that will react with 6.75 moles of O2. So these are the exact amount of ingredients we're going to need to make this. For the second one, we said, okay, well, what if we increase this to 14.8 moles of aluminum? And this time, we didn't care about this because it wasn't in the problem. We wanted to know how much of this we were going to make. So we did the 14.8. And we did divided by 4 and times by 2 to get the 4:2 ratio. And we saw that if we have 14.8 moles of aluminum and we have a lot of this, like we don't even care about the amount, we just have a lot of it, we're going to make 7.4 moles of aluminum oxide. And then here, if we have 0.78 moles of moles of O2, 0.78 moles of O2, and we have tons of this, that's what this is implying, we're going to make 0.52 moles of aluminum oxide. So what I would like you to do now is to look at the screen. Oops, let me get this down. And I want you to do these practice problems for me right now. And I am going to tell you what the right answers are for them. So for number 1, it's going to be 20.4 moles of CO2, and I will put that on the thing. For number 2, the right answer is 2.8 moles of O2, and for number 3, the right answer is 3.59 moles of CO2. So let me get this back up again. If you want to look at this, these are the right answers for 1, 2, and 3 practice problems. So if you want to write those down right now, you can pause it and write those down. Those are the right answers for the practice problems, for these practice problems. So I'd like you to do that, show your work, show canceling of units, and you need to upload this to Google Classroom. So let me explain what you need to upload to Google Classroom. Here under the Stoichiometry notes packet, you're going to take a picture of this. You're going to take a picture of this and you're going to upload that to the Stoichiometry notes packet. And then you're going to do the 3 practice problems, which are right here. These 3 practice problems, which I have told you what the right answers are for them, showing all your work and circling your question, circling your right answer. You're also going to upload this to the Stoichiometry note packet. So those 2 things need to be uploaded. Those 2 things need to be uploaded. So do this. So take a picture of the notes, take a picture of the practice problems after you get them done, upload them, and then you are free to go. Once you have the notes uploaded, once you have the 3 practice problems uploaded, you have fulfilled what you need to do for today, and you will get a check mark saying that you were in class. If they are not uploaded, you will not be counted present for the class. Have a great day, everyone. Oh, and I also should say there will be a Wednesday assignment. We just haven't done it yet, so be on the lookout for the Wednesday assignment. Have a great day.